Hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about the most nutrient-dense food that you can be eating to improve your health, and that is liver. And I know it sounds gross, but don't click off just yet. I assume that if you're here watching this video, it's because you're really interested in improving your overall health, and this is exactly one of the best foods that you can be eating for your health. Keep watching to learn the benefits of beef liver and even how to make it palatable so that way you can enjoy the flavor of it. Hey everyone, my name is Megan Garza and I'm a certified holistic health coach and yoga instructor, and I'm also the CEO of Megan Garza Wellness. If you're new here, welcome to my channel where I talk about all things holistic health to help you improve your digestion, hormones, and skin health by using lifestyle and nutrition. I'm going to start by saying that liver is my favorite food. Now, if you would have told me that this is my favorite food a year ago, I would have said that you're crazy. I thought that it was gross and that I would never be able to eat it, and I didn't think that I would enjoy the flavor of it. Not only do I enjoy the flavor of liver now, I actually crave it. And this is not only because of the nutrient-dense profile that it has, but it's also because of how it makes me feel afterwards. Some of the benefits of liver include that it is one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the world. So it's high in iron, potassium, B vitamins, copper, vitamin A retinol, and vitamin A beta carotene, and many other micronutrients as well. Comparing liver to other food sources doesn't even work. You can't compare it, and beef liver takes the cake every time. Some of the things that beef liver can help with would be things like skin health and eye health, and that's because of the high amount of vitamin A in it. So there's a lot of people who did not want to go on Accutane, me being one of them, and of course there are other things besides just beef liver that helped with my acne, but beef liver is a really critical part in the story because of the fact of the amount of vitamin A. So instead of taking synthetic vitamin A that is really toxic to your liver and can cause all kinds of other health problems, I decided to start eating beef liver, and I noticed a huge improvement in my skin drastically. There's also a lot of other stories of different people saying the same thing, so be sure to do some research for yourself to see what I'm talking about. It also strengthens your bones because it's high in K2, and K2 helps facilitate the calcium into your bones. It's also really high in amino acids and proteins, so this helps with muscle growth. It also has a high amount of choline, which is important for brain health and memory. It promotes energy because of the high amount of B vitamins in it, and it's also a really excellent fertility food because of the amount of vitamins and minerals that are packed into it. And I know that it might be scary because there's a lot of misconception about liver and eating liver, thinking that the liver is where your body stores toxins, but that's not true. The liver actually acts as more as a filter to help filter out toxins, and nothing actually gets stored in there. Liver does not have to be gross. It can actually be a very palatable and delicious food that you might actually crave. So now I'm going to talk about some of the recipes that you can use and make the food more enjoyable for you. You can make it into a pate, so that way it can be an easy spread for crackers. You can also mix it in with stews. You can mix it with ground beef, so that way you can make meatballs or burgers, and you have to do the correct ratio so that way it doesn't taste super livery, if that's a word. But there are excellent recipes out there where it shows you how much ground beef to liver that you can use in the recipe. My favorite is liver and onions. So this is very classic. You just put the liver in the pan with some onions, some brown sugar, and maybe even a little bit of milk, and this turns out excellent. It's a very quick meal and it's very nutrient dense. And if you really don't like the taste of liver but you want to be getting the health benefits of it, you can also get something called desiccated liver, which is a powdered form of it. It's a supplement, and you can just put that in your recipes when you're cooking, so that way you won't taste the flavor of the liver, but you'll still be getting all the nutrients from it. Go ahead and start incorporating liver into your diet and getting all the nutritional benefits that you can. Let me know in the comments down below which recipe that you're going to be trying or which one you're most excited about. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.